it's your girl Leslie and I'm back in another video. So we talk about the title, y'all are getting ready with me for work. This is like my third week there at Subway. That's why I haven't really been posting much, just because I've been working, but we're trying to do both and we're going to either way. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I'm sorry I looked rough because I just woke up, but we're gonna start getting ready because I'm supposed to be there around 4, but right now it's 1, so I'm gonna take my time getting ready and ignore my face because I'm breaking out a little bit. But we're gonna get ready for work, and I love you guys and I've missed y'all so much. Let's just go ahead and jump into it.
Influencer, or did it evolve as your channel grew? I always had a following on Instagram because I used to post pictures all the time. I just started.
Hey, that's CJ on that track.
Okay, y'all, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and change into my clothes. I'll probably record after I get changed and probably fix my hair because my hair is just a mess and it's not working with me. Okay, y'all, so I am ready for work and I'm about to leave, so I'm just gonna let y'all know, and I won't record inside, just to let y'all know so I don't get fired, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just got home from work and I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. So I'm probably gonna record that too since it's part of the video. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, and I know this shower gonna feel amazing. Okay, y'all, so since y'all seen me brush my teeth and did all that in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna put some lotion on. Yeah, I like putting lotion on now because my skin has been dry, but I love this kind. It's from Bath & Body Works, I think, and it's like 24-hour moisturize, and I just love the smell of it. So, because my skin's been peeling and stuff like that, I guess because of the weather, but yeah, it smells good. I love this lotion, and I just put some on. It smells amazing, so I highly recommend this lotion. Yep. But my day was good, I guess. It wasn't as well, it was busy, but it was alright. But I'm glad I'm doing this video because I miss y'all for real. I miss posting, and I'm trying to post and get my schedule back, but it ain't working because I'm working all the time. They're always calling me in, but I'm trying to work on that for real. It's like making me depressed a little bit of not posting videos, but we getting there. We're getting back to where we was for real. But I think that's all I'm gonna put on. I don't think I'm gonna wash my face because I've been washed it enough. And yeah, so that's all I'm gonna put on, I guess. And I'm probably gonna brush my teeth off camera, then I'll get back to y'all. So, oh, and by the way, I love this shirt, if y'all cannot tell, because it's like big on me, and I can sleep in it, and it's comfortable, and that's just how I am. I know y'all are like, why do we see the same shirt? That is why, for real. Okay, so that wraps up for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm glad I recorded it because I just felt depressed of not posting, and I needed to post because I just needed to, because it's just been too long. Like, my schedule and my posting is awful right now, but we're working on it, and I'm just glad I record for y'all and to see y'all comments on this video. I love replying to each and every one of y'all, and I love making videos, and I want to keep on making videos because, you know, I just felt depressed of not posting, but we're trying to get back into that, and I want to continue record even while I work, so we're going to work on that. And yeah, so y'all tell me down below what type of videos y'all want to see next. I have a lot of ideas for the summer and stuff I want to post and stuff I want to see my channel grow, but I have a lot of ideas, some video ideas also that y'all might like some hauls and basically some little sit down and talks. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I want to thank y'all so much for supporting me, and I appreciate it so much, and I love you guys so much. But I think that pretty much wraps up the video. I love each and every one of y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.